Submitting a good picture to Backyard Farmer is critical to helping us help you get the answers you're looking for. Here's a few basic tips to taking and submitting good pictures to the show. Most cell phones have a camera, which means taking pictures shouldn't be a problem, but before you submit the picture, make sure it's in focus and framed up to the issue you have a question about. Avoid altering the picture you took by using filters or cropping. If the picture needs adjustment, our staff will do that prior to airing. Wide shots are okay to show something going on in a landscape, but close-up pictures of an insect or disease problem or a weed will help us identify the issue. It's also good to include a ruler or some other identifiable object in the picture so we can get a good idea of the scale. When submitting, give us as much information as you can about your question, and don't forget to tell us where you live. When you're ready to send us a picture, attach them to an email and send it to byf.unl.edu or use the Facebook Messenger app. Finally, always keep in mind we get hundreds of submissions each week, making it impossible to answer everyone's question on the air.